Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload and analyze PDF in Claude AI. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI login page. If you are starting from a search engine, type in Claude AI login and open the official sign-in page. Make sure you choose the correct official Claude website so you can safely access your account. Once the page loads, click the sign-in option and log into your Claude account. After signing in, you will be taken to the main Claude interface. This is where you can start new conversations, upload files, and ask Claude to help you review or summarize information. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click on New Chat. Starting a fresh chat is useful because it keeps your PDF analysis organized in one dedicated conversation. If you plan to ask multiple questions about the same document, this also makes it easier to come back and review the answers later. After the new chat opens, find the plus button near the message area where you normally type your prompt. This button is used to add content to the conversation, including documents like PDFs. Click the plus button to open the upload options. From the menu that appears, select the option to add files or photos. Then browse your computer and choose the PDF file you want to upload. Depending on the size of the document and your internet speed, it may take a few moments to attach. It is a good idea to wait until the file is fully uploaded before moving on so Claude can properly access the contents. Once the PDF has been attached, click the Send button to submit it into the chat. This tells Claude to process the file within the conversation. If you see the document appear in the chat, that usually means it has been added successfully. After that, Claude will begin analyzing the PDF. You can then ask whatever you want about the document. For example, you might ask for a summary, key points, action items, important dates, or a simpler explanation of technical sections. You can also ask follow-up questions to dig deeper into specific parts of the file. For the best results, try to be clear in your questions. Instead of asking something broad, you can ask Claude to summarize the document in a few sentences, identify the main conclusions, or extract details from a certain section. This helps you get more accurate and useful answers. That's it. You have now uploaded a PDF into Claude AI and started analyzing it through chat.